This is Sophie. She is 8 years old. Neat braids, pink backpack, a lunchbox with a butterfly on it. She is the last child standing outside Rosa Elementary School. Every other kid is gone. Every other parent has come and gone. The school secretary, Mrs. Obi, stands beside her.
Sophie, do you know your dad's number?
He always comes at 3:30. He's never late.
I know, sweetheart, but it's 3:45 now.
Maybe he got stuck in traffic.
Maybe. Let's go inside and call him.
Mrs. Obi dials the number. It rings 4 times. Then, David picks up.
Hello?
Mr. David, this is Mrs. Obi from Rosa Elementary. Sophie is still here.
What?
It's almost 4 o'clock, sir.
Oh, no. Oh, no, I'm coming. Tell her I'm coming. Tell her I'm so sorry. I'm coming right now.
She's fine, Mr. David. She's safe. Drive carefully.
He forgot.
He's on his way.
David runs from the parking lot. He is still wearing his work badge. His shirt is half untucked. He is 34 years old. There are dark circles under his eyes that never fully go away. He has been a single father for 3 years, since Sophie's mother left. He runs up to Sophie. He kneels down right there on the pavement.
Sophie, I am so sorry. I was in a meeting and I lost track of the time and
It's okay, Daddy.
It's not okay. I should have.
I said it's okay. Can we go home now? I'm hungry.
Mr. David, this has happened twice this month.
I know. It won't happen again.
I'm not trying to make you feel bad. I just want to make sure Sophie is okay.
She is okay. She's always okay.
They drive in silence for a while. Sophie looks out the window. David keeps both hands on the wheel. His jaw is tight.
Daddy,
Yeah?
did you eat lunch today?
What?
Your face looks like the face you make when you didn't eat lunch.
I had a granola bar.
That's not lunch.
I know.
I learned in school that brains don't work right without food. Maybe that's why you forgot me.
Sophie,
I'm not mad. I'm just explaining it scientifically. Are you okay, Daddy?
I'm okay, baby.
You keep saying that too.
Their apartment is 2 bedrooms on the 5th floor. The kitchen table has stacks of papers on one end. Sophie does her homework on the other end. David makes pasta. It is the 3rd time this week. Sophie sits at the table, drawing.
Daddy, parent-teacher night is next Thursday.
I know.
Last time you came late. Mrs. Perry had to wait.
I remember.
She thought you weren't coming.
But I came.
I know. But she thought you weren't. I kept telling her, my dad always comes. And she smiled like she didn't believe me.
Sophie, does it bother you when I'm late? When I forget things?
Sometimes.
Tell me the truth.
Sometimes it feels like you're far away even when you're in the same room. But then, sometimes you make me laugh, and I forget. You're still the best daddy I have.
I'm the only daddy you have.
That's what makes you the best.
After Sophie goes to bed, David calls his mother. He sits on the edge of his bed. The room is very quiet.
David, you sound tired.
I forgot Sophie at school today.
Oh, David.
She said it was okay. She's 8 years old and she said it was okay like a little adult, and that made it worse.
You're doing too much alone.
I don't have a choice.
You have a choice about asking for help.
From who?
From me. I'm 2 hours away, David, not 2 countries.
Mom.
That little girl needs more than one person running on no sleep and granola bars.
She told you about the granola bar?
She called me last Sunday. She told me you've been going to work before she wakes up.
I'm trying to keep us in this apartment. The rent went up. The job is...
I know all of it. But David, listen to me. You can lose the apartment and still have Sophie. You cannot lose Sophie and still have anything.
I just don't want her to feel like she's missing something. Because her mom is gone.
She already knows something is hard. She's not missing that. What she needs is to know you're not disappearing too.
The next morning, David sets his alarm 30 minutes earlier. When Sophie comes to the kitchen, rubbing her eyes, she stops in the doorway. The table is clear, no stacks of paper. David is sitting there, with 2 plates of toast and actual orange juice.
What happened?
Sit down. We're eating breakfast together.
You're not leaving early?
I talked to my manager. I'm shifting my hours. I'll pick you up myself every day. No more 3:45 phone calls.
Did Grandma call you?
I called her.
Daddy, I need to tell you something.
What?
Yesterday, when you forgot me, I was scared for a little while. Like, really scared. Not just hungry scared.
Tell me.
I thought maybe you forgot me because you had too much to think about, and I was just one more thing.
Sophie.
I know that's not true, but I thought it for a little while.
You are not one more thing. You are the only thing that matters. Everything else, the work, the rent, the meetings, all of that is because of you. For you.
Then, maybe tell me that more, so I don't have to wonder.
Every day. Starting today.
Promise?
I promise.
Okay, your toast is getting cold.
2 weeks later, 3:28 p.m. David's car is already parked outside Rosa Elementary. He is early. Sophie walks out of the school doors. She scans the pickup area. She sees the car. She sees him. She runs.
You're early.
I was bored at my desk.
Mrs. Obie saw you and said that's more like it.
Good.
You ate lunch today. I can tell.
How can you tell?
Your face is different.
Some days, being a good parent is a grand gesture. And some days it is simply this: showing up 2 minutes early, with a full stomach, and both hands ready to hold whatever your child needs to give you. David was never a bad father. He was a tired one. And the moment he let someone see that, the moment he stopped pretending he was fine, everything became a little more possible.